The most basic idea behind Kabbalah is about perception of reality and the way in which it's fundamentally structured. Everything that we see here is the result of something that's already happened on a higher, or you could say deeper level. Our perception is dependent on the quality of our inner life, but on a particular aspect of inner life. And those changes, developments, corrections that happen in the heart are what changes our ability to sense and perceive correctly what's occurring. Everything that happens on this level occurs first on the root level, that is, on that inner or higher level. And what we live in, our reality, is a world of outcomes. And the whole point of our journey here in this world for the time being is to learn to rise to that level of roots as opposed to the level of branches. Because once a person rises to that place or changes their inner nature so that it begins to match the quality of the causal level of reality, we actually rise to that level and we can see how that works in this world. We can be part of that. We can function pretty much like a law of nature in regards to the world that we see. So just think about that for a moment and how that would change our experience, our sense of beauty, how it would lessen both our suffering and the suffering of other people. If we really could bring to it a proper intention like the spiritual level, instead of always being at odds of changing forces that we don't sense at all. Kabbalah is a means of learning to sense these forces by getting to know them within ourselves and also being informed about what their real quality is so that we can begin to match it. Now, I know that sounds pretty abstract, or maybe it sounds like something you've heard before, but the thing about Kabbalah is that it is a methodology, concrete, step-by-step methodology that enables us to actually change our nature so that we move from the branch level to the root level and begin to live from there and for the sake of the whole of reality in the same way that the forces of nature do.